was my long-time dentist, for whom I have enormous respect, who suggested that Bird Smiles was the best place to come. What was really special is that it goes along with a warmth and a genuine feeling that you are cared for as a patient, and to have the two of those qualities come together in the same practice was something I really like and value highly, and have come to really appreciate. One of the things I should say is that I no longer live in DC. I've moved to Maine, but I have continued coming back to Bird Smiles and will continue to come, because I can't imagine going anywhere else and getting the kind of care that I have received here. The other thing that I think says a lot is that the same staff are still here as when I first came, and that says a lot. And they clearly enjoy working here and enjoy doing what they do, and are really committed to what they do. And I think this is really a very special